In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell custom merch. We're going to walk through setting up on-demand products right inside your Squarespace site using the built-in custom merch integration. This approach lets you design products, list them in your store, and have each order printed and shipped automatically so you can start selling without holding inventory. Begin by signing into your Squarespace account and opening your account dashboard. From there, head into your site's dashboard. This brings you to the central control panel for your website, where you can access design, content, and all of your commerce features. Next, open your website workspace by selecting Go to Website. You'll land in the configuration area for your chosen site, which is where we'll set up your merch. In the left-hand navigation, select Website to view your site's main settings and tools. Then open Products and Services. This is the gateway to all sellable items on your site, including physical goods, digital items, and services. Click Products to manage your store catalog. Even though we're going to use print on demand, we're still adding tangible items customers will receive in the mail, so choose physical. Now add a new item by selecting Add Product. Among the product types available, pick Custom Merch. This option is designed specifically for print on demand and connects your store to a trusted production partner so you can design, price, and sell products without pre-ordering stock. On the Custom Merch page, choose Design and Sell Custom Products. This is where Squarespace prepares the connection to the print provider so your products, images, and order details can move seamlessly between platforms. When you're ready, click Connect. This creates the secure link that allows orders from your store to be automatically sent for production and fulfillment. You'll see helpful callouts here that explain how this works in practice. Only pay for what you sell means there are no upfront inventory costs. You set your retail price, and when an order comes in, the base product and printing cost is deducted. Your margin is the difference. Shipped automatically means that once a customer checks out, the order goes straight to production and ships directly to them, complete with tracking, so you don't have to handle packing or postage. Next, select products from the Printful catalog. This is where you'll decide which kinds of items you want to offer. You can explore clothing for staples like t-shirts and hoodies that showcase your brand, accessories for hats, bags, and practical add-ons, prints for wall art, and posters that highlight your designs, and home and living for items like mugs, pillows, and other lifestyle products. Think about what best fits your audience and brand aesthetic, as well as your desired price point and margins. When you're ready to explore everything that's available, click Browse Catalog. You'll see a wide range of products with different materials, sizes, colors, and print methods. As you look around, keep a few tips in mind. Choose items where your artwork will look great at actual size, and use high-resolution, print-ready files for crisp results. Consider offering a small, curated selection first so you can learn what sells, then expand. Review the base cost of each product and set retail prices that leave room for healthy margins while staying competitive. It's also a good idea to preview product mock-ups to ensure your design placement feels balanced and legible on each item and color. That's the full path from your Squarespace dashboard to browsing the print-on-demand catalog. Once you've picked items and finalized your designs, the integration keeps everything flowing smoothly. Your product details sync to your store, customers can purchase as usual, and orders are produced and shipped automatically. With no inventory to manage, you can focus on great designs, compelling product descriptions, and clear imagery that helps shoppers feel confident about what they're buying. If you follow this process, you'll have a streamlined, low-risk way to launch branded merch and start selling quickly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your custom products.